Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm gonna give you a general overview of PayPal and explain to you what PayPal is. So basically PayPal is a platform that buyers and seller can use in order to give or receive money on it. A PayPal account is linked to your bank account or whatever, and it's really easy to use. You can send money to people, to friends, to buyers in order to receive stuff. It's really safe and easy to use, and I'm gonna show you some of the features that you have on PayPal. As you can see, if here I have activity. If I click on it, I can see every purchase or every cent that I ever received right here since my account was made, and I have a full list of my transactions. So and from there I can select a transaction and report it or do many stuff with it. I have a send and request button, and if I click on it, you can see I have send and request. I can send money by either entering someone's name, username, email, or mobile phone, and it's as easy as it is. Or I have request, which works the same way, but instead of receiving money, in, instead of sending money, you'll receive money. You also have wallet where you can add funds or transfer funds to your bank account, as you can see right here. You have offers, which I believe is some shops offer you discounts if you choose to pay by PayPal. Yeah, and overall PayPal is a great platform, really easy to use, and I recommend it to everyone. It's safe, and if for example someone tries to scam you or something, you can make a claim, and you're most likely gonna get your money back, unlike other platforms like Cash App and Venmo or others, so where you don't really have all that much support. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.